Hey guys, it's Sarah. I am so excited because today I'm starting a video and I don't know how the video is going to turn out because it's going to be a long process. Today I'm at my childhood home, which is still my father's house, and I am starting the first steps of moving back into it. So I've mentioned that I am moving. My mom is moving about 30 minutes from where my hometown is, and I didn't want to be that far away from my other family and friends, so in with my dad I go. So I'm in my room, and this room and my sister's room next door, they really haven't been touched for a decade. I did hang up some posters after I graduated high school because I had a lot of posters from my high school and I wanted to hang them up and show them my high school pride. But now I'm way out of high school and far out of college, and it's time to redo my room, move back in, make it, I guess, usable for my current life. So I have a lot of things to do. I need to list some furniture on Facebook Marketplace. I've already bought some furniture on Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, like I'm basically starting from ground zero. I'm not going to be painting the walls or like tearing up the carpet. So maybe I'm like starting from level 1. But yeah, I'm basically doing a whole redo. So using stuff I already have and with some of the pieces I've bought over the last few months after I moved in with my mom. But this is going to be an exciting time. I really don't know what to expect, but I wanted to take you on my journey with me, so here it goes. So the first thing I want to do is show you my room. So we're gonna do a little tour right now. As you can see, I have posters hung up everywhere. That's my box for my Sweet 16. That's a birthday present from my friend. I have some like notebooks. I have a bunch of stuff kind of stored here, some books and CDs. Sorry, my bed's not made. This is my bed. I've kind of already started throwing things into this room, so that's why it's so cluttered, like all these blankets and that pillow, and there's, congratulations, Tom's River South class of 2014. That's me. This is one of the pieces I'm going to be listing on Facebook Marketplace. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not really going to match the style of my room and the rest of the furniture I already have. Look how cute, me as a kid running in my first mile race. I was like dying. I was like, never again. Betty Boop. I had a Betty Boop phase. That's me in 7th grade. Crazy time. So this is where my bed is, obviously. And here, as you can see, I have stuff kind of piled. These are, well, these two pieces right here. I brought these in the other day. I'm going to paint them and hopefully they'll fit in the room and will match the style. My room has kind of a Parisian style. You can see the Eiffel Tower there, and this is a map of Paris in the old days and some more Paris themed wall art, a Paris themed lamp. I'm very into Paris, and my grandma got into a habit of shopping for me and bought me a bunch of Paris themed room decor, so that's kind of hung up. But I have just a mix in this room. These are pillows from college, bags, all of my bathing suits kind of just hanging out here because I didn't have room for them at my mom's. In this drawer, I cannot wait to show you what's in this drawer. I have some throwback stuff. Some travel knickknacks, my Hillary Duff collage I got when I was in elementary school. I was obsessed, still am. And this is another thing I'm going to list, this media center. I have it right now. It's just like a shelf for some old knickknacks of mine, but most of these things will be going by my Betty Boop collection. So cute. So this is my room, and my sister's room is next door, and I want to take you into that because I'm actually going to be using this space as like my office and my thrifting room. The lighting's not that great, sorry, but it's a lot less cluttered than my room is. There are definitely some hidden gems in here. I can't wait to go through some of the stuff. So you've seen my room, my sister's room, and it's gonna be a fun time, guys. All right, let's see what we have. as you can see, I went through quite a lot of things. I realized I can't really do much until I get rid of some things though, so I'm going to give it a break for a few days, see if any of my listings sell, and if they don't, they'll get donated or thrown away, and then I'll be able to move forward with the cleaning and moving in process. So stay tuned. Also, I know I showed you the little stand that I said I was really excited to show you guys. I didn't do that yet, but you will see what is in that cabinet. All right, another weekend, another trip to my dad's to start going through more stuff. Last time I talked to you, I said I was going to try to sell some things. I did. I sold my dresser. I sold an American Girl doll with some clothes, and I sold my Betty Boop collection. Oh my gosh, that was so sad, but I had nowhere to put it. So now I'm back to go through the rest of the things. I totally forgot that my sister has a second closet in her room, so I discovered a bunch of like little kid toys in that. So I'm gonna go through that. And then my friend Lauren, who you met in the makeup video that we did, is coming over to help me kind of rearrange some things, try to figure out maybe how I could set up my room, see if my furniture will fit, because I have a feeling it won't all fit. We'll see. So yeah, that's it for today, and I figured I would continue taking you on the journey. She is literally the best. So you saw that I was going through my sister's closet. I found so many insane things, as you saw. But now Lauren came over to help me with my room because I just kind of had to figure out where things could possibly go, etc. And she was like so helpful. Like we got that figured out in like 10 minutes.
Done.
Yeah, so that was so great. So now, as you can see, I have some stuff back there for bulk pickup / donations. So we're going to go drop that off, and then we are going to bring some furniture to my dad's house. My first piece of furniture heading over there. So I'm excited and thankful that Lauren is here.
Of course.
So maybe about 2 weeks ago during the workday, I found 2 dressers on Facebook Marketplace that I wanted to bring to my room because I have a lot of stuff and I need a lot of storage. So I was on the lookout for more dressers, and my dad and I moved them out into the kitchen so I can paint them today, because while they are gorgeous and really have no issues, they're blue and won't match my pink room. So I'm painting them white today. Here's the paint right there. Oh my gosh, I just opened the paint and it's frozen. I took it out of my car this morning, but I guess it was just so cold out that... What? What am I supposed to do about this? Oh no. Alright, so the paint eventually thawed and I painted away. I think I put on maybe 3 or 4 layers of paint just to get it perfect between that night and the next day, but they turned out so well. I am so excited. Here they are. Look how pretty they turned out. Oh, love it. Well, it looks like day 3 or 4 of room work is complete, so I guess I'll talk to you guys next time I work on the room, which I'm not sure when that will be. I think in a couple of weeks, so. Okay, so at this point, I'm not even sure when the last time I filmed was. It has been hectic, to say the least. I've been skiing, which is so great, but it's taken up a lot of time, of course. I was away for a week in New York, so it's basically crunch time. I just got out of the shower. My house is basically exploded at this point. That's all stuff I have to go through for the move. I have boxes everywhere, stuff just thrown everywhere. Hi, dogs. Because, I mean, I'm moving and my mom has been very, adamant about me getting my stuff out, but I haven't been home to do that. So it's been tough to say the least, but today is Saturday. I think 2 weeks before I have to be moved. So I'm going to go work on moving stuff to my dad's, and actually there's been some updates at that house, so I'll update you when I get there. Alright, so I'm at my dad's. It's rainy, it's dark, not the best lighting. I'm all by myself, so I'm not really going to be able to take much video because I'm really trying to unpack, I guess, or at least shove things places. I have so much stuff. But I wanted to show you my room because it got painted. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting, but it looks so much nicer than it was. Everything is pushed in the middle of the room right now. And then we'll go to my sister's room. Again, sorry about the lighting, but my mom moved everything from the garage and the attic that was mine in here. So yeah, this is what I'm working with right now. And back to my room. As you know, I lied about getting my room repainted and recarpeted. My room, as you can see, is empty on that half because my dad and I decided that it was best to get at least that half recarpeted because the rug was pretty stained and old and we wanted to lighten it up. So there it is, my new carpet. I love it. It brightened up the place and I'm just so thankful for the new paint and rug. I love it so much. And next you'll see me basically put my room together. So here it is. People, the day is here. It's official move-in day. Crazy. I actually have 90% of my stuff already moved into my dad's house. I have been working around the clock on moving, on days I've had off, etc. But I have a lot of organizing to do. So I just brought some more stuff over to my dad's, and then Lauren is coming over to help me, so hopefully she'll get my butt into gear with organizing and sorting through all this stuff I have. All right, well, here it goes. Inside, stay. Well guys, the video is finally coming to an end, as is my move. I completely moved into my dad's house a week ago exactly. I am so excited about this. I wish I gave you guys a little bit more of a behind the scenes look at the moving process, but I mean, I was basically doing it by myself, and you know, I could have filmed more and shown more, but it's really hard when you're one person carrying a bunch of bins to and from the car and blah, blah, blah. So I apologize for not making it too in-depth, but I hope you were able to kind of get an idea of the before and after of my room. Speaking of after, I want to give you a quick little glance of what my room looks like right now. So this is it, basically done. There's some things laying around. I need to find a place for those. Those are pillows that will be on my bed. I haven't made my bed. Sorry, there's also clothes in there because it just got changed. But I haven't made my bed because I just got a new comforter in the mail, so I'm going to put that on next. But I just wanted to give you a little preview of basically my room finished. There are still very little things to do. Like, I got a light to go in my closet. I need to get some lampshades. Not sure when I'm going to do that. I'm not too concerned about it, to be honest. So I will be making a video to show you the complete after of my room. I'm so excited to do that. But for now, thanks to anyone who tuned in to this long video of me moving. It was a crazy process. Thank you to everyone who helped me, which included my mom, my dad, my stepdad, and my two best friends, Laurel and Lauren. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Like I said, I will be posting a follow-up video, so feel free to subscribe. You can also check out my life on my blog, sarahwithmanythoughts.com, and follow me on my Instagram, Sarah with Many Thoughts. See you next time, guys.